go, Benjamin. You leave it there.
Then leave it there. Bethy, can you crawl to the ball? Come get the ball, sweetheart. Well, that was very helpful, Benjamin, but so counterproductive to what we're trying to do here. We want to watch the baby crawl.
Elizabeth, come here. Don't kick it.
No,
Don't
that's
kick
a
it.
triangle. Triangle. It has 3 straight
Bethy,
sides.
can you crawl? Can you crawl over and get it?
Let's see it, Beth.
So you're interested in a Lego or something?
Look at her go! She's doing it! She's doing it! Yay! Bethy!
You're officially a Rugrat.
Definitely.
Yay!